I don't think it's a travel tote. It's not a travel tote. I think this is a quick work tote. This is so cute. This is really cute. Like the way it looks, it's really big. I love the luggage strap. Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Alicia, and here on this channel we talk about all of my favorite things. Don't look at that plant. Don't look at that plant. I just watered her. She's struggling. I forgot to water her a few times and she's struggling. But I was opening some packages and I wanted to turn on the camera and talk to you guys for a little bit while I have time. I am working, so we won't be talking long. But I was mentioned on my live, one of my live chats. If you're not joining the lives, be sure to do. Be sure you're if you're not joining the lives, you're missing out. And you want to make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I do go live. I try to go live every once in a while. I've been trying to go live a little more frequently, and I feel like Saturdays are good live days for me, but I do sometimes go on live randomly during the week. So you want to make sure you hit that notification bell and choose all so you don't miss when I do go live, because they're fun. We have live conversations. You can chat with me in real time, and usually I'm doing something fun. Sometimes we play games. Anyway, looking for a work tote. So I've purchased a few work totes and we're going to talk about them. I'm going to show you all the ones that I purchased. I want to show you, I ordered 2 from Amazon and 1 from another retailer, which may take a little longer for me to get, but I wanted to start this video and kind of show you what I have so far. So I got this one from Amazon. This is a bagly mishka one, and I was just opening it. I'm trying to decide if I should keep it. I actually really like it. The reason I got this one or chose this one is because it had the luggage strap in the back. I'm going on a work trip and I wanted it to have this option to kind of put on my rolling suitcase handle, and I really like the way this looks. I like that it has feet. I just opened it, so it's a little scrunched up right now. This is pleather. I was looking for a real leather bag. There's someone outside, and I won't stay long because someone's pinging me now from work. So, but yeah, I really like this. I don't really appreciate the inside, but that's okay. I really like the outside of it. I love the lock, how it's a little like twister turn lock. It gives me Chanel. It's giving Chanel. It has a chain strap, which I don't know if that will bother me, like putting it on my shoulder as a chain. I will say that feels like it probably will be a little heavy with my laptop in there, because I'm kind of tugging on it to kind of get an idea of how it will feel when it's heavy. So I don't know about that. I really like her, but I'm not sure. I mean, I only paid $65 for her, so she's not super expensive. But I also feel like I could have purchased this at like Burlington, Coat Factory, or like TJ Maxx for a better price. I didn't pay a lot of money for it, but I wish it was just a little cheaper, maybe like $40. But it is cute. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep her or not. I have to make a decision soon. But I do like her. I mean, this is the part that kind of sold me on keeping it, because I like that. I also need a black one, so I'm thinking of keeping her. I can't put my laptop in it right now because I'm uploading a video and I'm also working, so I'm sure my work laptop will fit. I have a MacBook Pro, I think the 15-inch, and it'll fit in here. But I do have to carry two laptops and my case with all of my chargers and such that have to go in here. So I don't know if this is going to be good enough for that. I I don't plan on taking this through the airport. I feel like it's not sturdy enough for the airport. It's good to wear to work for a notebook and one. This is killing me. I'm taking it off. I'm taking it off so we can get a better idea. Okay, I like it. I really do. I mean, I don't think it's a travel tote. It's not a travel tote. I think this is a quick work tote because of the chain. I don't think it's the best, but it is cute. I mean, I'll give it to you. It is cute. I like the pockets. I like that it has pockets. I like that it has feet, but I don't think it could carry a lot. I don't think it could carry a lot. But for the price, I'm probably gonna keep it. I have another one from Amazon that I purchased. I was looking for a brown cognac one and also a black one. I'm still on the hunt for one that's real leather, but I'm at a time crunch. So I had to buy something that will come to me really quickly. I don't have to have any of these items, but I really didn't have a work tote or anything to carry my laptops in. I could have used a book bag, but a book bag is like, I'm not a book bag girl. Okay, I want to feel good, so it's okay to purchase yourself something in the interim. I went to my good old girl Amazon and I found these two bags. This one's really cute. All right, how cute is this? This is so cute. This is really cute. So instantly, I love the shape. I love how serious it looks. The other one can lean casual and be okay. And this one, I mean, no, this is serious. This is a Big Mama briefcase style. And this is also PU. I hate saying that word. PU, vegan leather, and it feels really nice. I was surprised. You know, a lot of the reviews were give or take a little off, but this feels really nice. It's really soft. Obviously, it's not real leather. I love that it has this little lock. Let me show y'all the inside, because for me, this was one of the other things. I didn't want a bag that was just dump everything in there and it just falls everywhere. This has organization. It has compartments. It's actually really, really nice. So it opens kind of like, you know, like a Birkin or Hermes. And it has these compartments on the inside, a little thing for your key, some pockets, a space for pens. If y'all can see, this is so good. And then space for your laptop. And a little zipper pouch here that you can put some other like important things in. So I actually really like this. It also has a zipper in the back here, which you can actually store stuff as well. But it doesn't have the luggage strap. The luggage strap was important to me. So, you know, there's gives and takes, but I love the structure of it. I love that the handles are there's a lot of space there for me with my bigger arms and me being taller. I like that these are you know, a little longer, a little wider. I love that it has this little clip here so that you can clip the handle together. And it really does feel really soft. Like, this vegan leather feels soft. I usually don't like the vegan leather feel because it looks so, you know, yeah. So this is the brand Love Vook. Of course, I will definitely link both of these. I'm sure you can find the Bagley Miska in your local like Burlington or TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I've seen that bag other places, but I will link her. Yeah, but I really like this. This is really good. I know I can fit my laptops in here, both of them. Now this strap I feel a little more secure with, you know, like if this is heavy, I feel like this doesn't feel as uncomfortable as the chains would feel if I'm carrying two laptops, because I do have to take two laptops with me, my personal laptop and my work laptop with me. So I don't know, we'll see. This actually feels really nice. I like this. I'm sure that this will fit everything I need in it. So I got one other bag from another brand, and I haven't received the bag yet, but when I do, I will show you guys that and we'll do a comparison, and I need to make a decision of which one I'm gonna keep. I really like the shape of this because the other bag I purchased is more, it leans both casual and you know, workish, work toady, but it is more plain. It's more straight to the point. It has compartments. It came with a laptop sleeve, and it came with that luggage sleeve in the back, and that's what I really wanted. I also wanted a brown casual tote because each one does something different, and I like this because it looks so dressy and professional, but the other one could lead both dressy and casual. So I like this. I like that it's not a very flashy bag. I like that it's very plain, and the vegan leather actually feels really, really nice. The grain leather feels really, really nice. It's a really good color. I hope you can see the color here. Hope it's showing up. And the other bag I purchased is by the brand July, which is a luggage and travel brand, and they have really great luggage, very detailed, very cool looking luggage. It looks kind of vintage, but they have other bags as well. They have a new suede bag that just came out. I am very new to the brand. I found them randomly, and yeah, I hope that I love the bag because what I saw and what I researched, they were really good. They have a lot of different options. It comes with a laptop sleeve, and it has like the compartments, which I'm looking for, the kind of like organization, so I don't have to put a carrier in. I don't want anything where it just falls everywhere, so this bag gave me that. The black one is just because it's black and everyone needs a black bag, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's, well, when I get the other bag, I will check back in. Okay guys, this is a continuation of my search of a work bag. I just got a package in from July. I got the Juliette bag. Let's open her up, shall we? Bag by July, and this bag comes in vegan leather and a 100% suede. The suede is beautiful. I did not get the suede. Opening it. Oh, she's so pretty. She's so pretty. She's very minimal. She just has the July part in here, but I like the way it looks. It's really big. I love the luggage strap. Okay, all my other bags are going back. All my other bags are going back. A laptop sleeve. Oh, I love that. I absolutely love that. Okay, hold on. Stuff out of it. She sits kind of flimsy. She has feet. Love that. Love that. The feet are the only metal hardware on the entire bag. On the outside of the bag. The inside of the bag has little compartments. There's a zipper where you can close her. I love that. It has a water bottle holder, which I need to pack a water bottle. I love that it has this little sleeve. The hardware is like a brassy tone on her. You can see, very cute, very, very cute. And just that July logo. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to pack her up. I really can't. See how she looks on the shoulder. Oh, really good shoulder space. Really good shoulder space, and it's so soft, and it smells really good. It's a really good supple leather. I love that it has this strap. This isn't a very common thing on tote bags, so this is good. This is the everyday tote. There's another bag that's taller than this. I didn't notice there was a compartment back here. Ooh. There's another little compartment back here you can hide some stuff in. I'm surprised they don't have like a little spot for pens. There is a little pocket in the front too. I missed that. There's pockets in here. The little closure. This is so cute. There's a little hook here that you can either hook this. Oh, I like that. You can hook that like that. There's this little pouch here. This cup holder, this bottle holder is removable. So you can just pop it out if you don't need it and kind of save it. I actually like the idea of having a cup holder. So we're gonna keep her in there. I like that you can see the feet through the bottom. Just like that. It looks really nice in there. And I do wish there was a little bit more organization, but because there's this laptop sleeve, I feel like that gives it more organization, in my opinion. The hook doesn't really work with the laptop sleeve. Unless yeah, she's a good one. She's a good one. And I like that I like this shape. It reminds me of the Celine trapeze bag, and also the bag I wanted from, I believe it was Freya, also has this same shape. I really like her. I know I look crazy and I look a mess, but we've got a lot going on, so I need to go. I really like this bag. I will link her below if you enjoyed this. I know how hard it is to find a good work tote where you are going to fill her up, and we're going to go travel with her, and we're going to see how she does out in the wild. Yeah, so I will let you guys know how I feel about her. So far so good. I like her better than the other bag I got from Amazon. A lot. I like how deep all the pockets are and how easy I can get to it. So I'm really a fan. I am really a fan. And I will say the July brand has a ton of like luggage and other like travel pieces. So yeah, she's a really good bag. I really like her. I look a mess, so yeah. I will say this feels too big for this bag because it doesn't go all the way down, but I guess it needs to be this big because this would fit a pretty sizable laptop. 15 inches. Yeah. So let me open her. I didn't even open that. Let's see what's in there. Very pretty. Same insert, which is like a faux suede, it feels like. Feels very nice. I like it. I like it a lot. I like this color. This is the color I wanted. I wanted a brown tote bag because I didn't have one, and I just really like this color. I feel like it's multi-seasonal. You can wear it across many seasons, and yeah, I love her. I love her a lot. Just a random find that I really like. I really like this one. It was fairly reasonable. I mean, pretty pricey for vegan leather, but yeah, I like her a lot. I like the feet a lot. Yeah, so this is the reason I bought her though. This luggage strap was the main reason. So she's a good one. Let's go fill her up with stuff.